new feature for Instagram that you need to try today. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, I will take you through a brief of Instagram new features that you can try today. First, the map feature. Instagram now includes a map view in your Messages tab, allowing you to share real-time location and discover posts, reels, and stories near you or from your friends if you opt in. Next, we have the repost function. Now you can repost content similar to retweeting, complete with a dedicated tab on your profile. This makes sharing trend-worthy content easier, though some users criticize it as unoriginal copying from other platforms. Next, you can reorder your grid. You can rearrange the order of your posts on your profile to curate your look and storytelling. Also, you can use Insta's own video editor. You can grab Edits, a free standalone editing app by Meta. It includes full video editor features set with green screen, AI-assisted effects, timeline editing, and drafts. It is perfect for serious creators seeking pro-level editing on mobile. Instagram also has AI and creator-powered tools such as AI generation and editing, AI caption and hashtag suggestions, AI-powered DM and stories, and new layouts and grids, that is vertical post previews now in 4.5 or taller, that is 3:4 ratio. It also has DM enhancement and organization, as Instagram now lets you pin chats to the top, use music stickers, and share QR codes within DMs. So, this was about Instagram's new feature that you can try today. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.